I bought this house right here for $1,000. You might be thinking to yourself, Troy, there's no way in hell that you bought this property for $1,000, but I did. This is called a pre-foreclosure. So these people were actually losing their house to foreclosure and there wasn't much equity in the deal. So what I did is I bought the property subject to the existing mortgage. You might hear a lot of guys talk about sub 2. So I bought this property subject to the existing mortgage. I gave the people $1,000, restored their credit, gave them a place to live. I was able to actually relocate them in the house, and now we're in the process of flipping it. On this property, we have a profit of anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000. He basically needs to take away all that landscaping, which they should have done before, paint behind that. You see that how they missed over here too? So you gotta be really picky with Maynard. He works really well with somebody being picky, am I right?
Yeah.
You've got a little bit of extra paint that we need to do right here. See how that didn't soak in all the way? We're not gonna get super nitpicky with like all the bottom because that really doesn't matter too much. So, but like obviously if it's stuff that should be pulled back, he should be taping this stuff off. This, he should take down. Nobody's using this in 10 anymore. This is a habit that we gotta tell these guys to just take them down. So we have a nice patio back here. If we could just
torch it.
Yes,
Burn it.
this would be a good call right there, torch.
It and then power wash it.
You just need to get one of those rosebud, like a propane tank. A rosebud hookup to it is what it's called, a rosebud, and it acts like a torch. And you'll get all this stuff out of here, and then you just pressure wash it. It'll be easy for you to clean. Actually, that'll work good for pretty much all your landscaping. Just don't catch the house on fire. I can't afford another one of those. We just need a little more touch-up paint. Looks pretty good though. In here, the way we're always gonna leave all of our properties, this is a flip. So if it's a flip, you tell us what you're gonna do in here, Maynard.
We're gonna paint blow and go, that's how you call it. And then we're gonna do epoxy with those sparkles, white, gray, black, different colors.
How much does the kit cost?
Kit costs like $375.
Like $375. It makes this whole place look really good. And we do that on every one of our flips. So he already knows that. We're just making a note because you're gonna wanna give him a big list of everything because he's gonna work better on the list. Like for years, we never did a list. It was him and me. And then he's saying, you didn't tell me. And I'm saying, yes, I did. And then we did that for like 15 years, actually. There's no need to worry about any of this type of stuff. I would say whatever you paint these doors, paint the inside white and the exterior red on this one, and then just white on both sides. Now we're gonna go up to the kitchen. This is our pantry area.
Bathroom.
Oh, this is our bathroom? So we need a vanity in here. Probably can use the existing vanity light. So we just leave this what it is. This stuff needs to be taken off right here. All these cabinets where we're using these are like metal. So this looks good in here. The only thing here is we need to this thing right here, fix this and change this out. Maynard should be cleaning these vents. This is an area that he lacks the memory. So you're gonna have to just.
He's calling you out.
We've been working together. He's like my son, even though he's like the same age. We've been working together. He's been to like Vegas, Mississippi, Washington State, Louisiana, Alabama. We can abuse each other a little bit. This we should paint 2 tones darker than this. So you're gonna change out the light fixtures and all these ones, right?
Yep.
So you're putting a chandelier here, and then this one. This tile works looks incredible. Who did this?
Oh, me? Who else?
You did this tile work? It looks good. We're gonna have to clean all the windows. But like this type of stuff is what I'm talking about. We need to vacuum this out because this is the details that matter. So we'll probably need to do some blinds in here too. New doorknobs on everything. You're gonna paint the door, you're gonna pull this thing off. We're gonna go with all black hardware in here.
Can't do screw.
Oh, you can't?
I mean, you can, but why would you?
Yeah, so this is one of our guys who's MIA. Why is he MIA? One of our guys ruined the door by putting this into the door, but he can putty this and fix it. Don't deface our property so I can do it. It's basically what this says. Yeah. This is just not using your brain. So you guys are only a couple weeks away from here being done here. Yeah, okay, good.
I have to go to Florida Court and get something closer to this marble to fix that corner.
Oh, let me teach you a trick that you probably already know. Where can you steal this in the house from without going to Floor and Decor? You got stuff above here, right? Mm-hmm. If you painted that white, is anybody gonna know that wall doesn't exist anymore?
No, I don't think so.
You can always remove all this and paint this white and nobody's gonna know. Like if you take all this away right here and you paint this white, like nobody's gonna know. Then you don't, how long is that gonna take you to go to Floor and Decor, find the exact same tile? If it even exists.
Half a day.
Half a day?
I don't think the tile exists anymore.
It doesn't exist. So you're gonna go there on a wild goose chase, not get anything done, and you're gonna end up exactly where you're at. So let's rob from ourselves right now. Just rob from the place that doesn't matter the most. Over here, it doesn't matter. And we can move all that over here. This is what I try to tell Danny is doing the maximum with the minimum. Like versus us trying to go and redo everything, we're always looking to save money. That looks great, that color. I think that's the same thing. So this is our, so what happened here, dude?
Yeah. We should pull the driveway a little bit more. Yeah, that's our mistake. But we were planning just to trim it with a little piece of wood.
So this looks way better. This is exactly what I was hoping that what I would see. We've got a closet right in here. So we just need maybe a couple poles for shelves for you, Emily. So what you would seen before is all this stuff. So the reason that we boxed this in, because you would have seen all this stuff when you came in. So this is a new room.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So why'd we do that? Just so we don't have to see all this. So this is like making this look like a closet, but also boxing this in, so solving two problems at the same time. We just made this a bedroom, okay? Is all we did, Emily?
Yeah.
So this is called a non-conforming bedroom because it doesn't conform. So we can't call it a bedroom, but we can call it a bedroom. It's not officially a bedroom on paper because you need to have egress out, which you don't, but we could advertise it as a bedroom for somebody who might be like, yeah, I'm fine putting my kid in here. Let's make sure this thing works because we'll be testing on that. Looks in pretty good condition. We had these guys already go through this, Danny, right?
Yeah, everything's been serviced.
We should get him like some sort of a sticker like that it was serviced on XYZ date because it looks better than just saying, yeah, it was serviced, right? Well, even if it's to the point where you put the freaking receipt from him that he serviced it and we tape it to the freaking thing so that they can see that like we actually had the machine serviced because that's what the inspector is going to be looking at. He's not going to be so like anything like that. When we're doing it on these types of jobs and we hire a tech to come in, like I told you to do, we get a tech to actually service it. Then we want to say like, what did the tech do? Did they clean the coils? Did they do this? Did they do that? And then tape it to them the day that it was done so that whenever the inspector's coming through on the flip, they can visually see, oh, somebody just checked this on 8/25/2024, and I can see that this work is done and they know who the guy is. So, and we just need to clean all this other crap out. I think that's everything here. Besides the exterior, let's go look at that one more time. We just need to mow the yard and clean up the landscaping. Ideally, trying to get as many of these vines off the fence. If we really wanted to go for something super magical, we'd have him paint the fence black, but I think it's probably asking a lot. So this will be a major thing. If he gets this all cleaned up, this will show a lot of curb appeal here. So now let's see what this house should sell for. That's a crappy house for 165. There's one for 260 that looks like it's in really good condition. What did we comp this one out, Danny, like 230?
210 to 240.
Yeah, so we'll have to see where we end up. Hopefully it ends up okay. We don't have a garage in this one though, right?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, we do, that's right, okay, yeah. That's right, we did walk through that, okay. So that's it.